Hey everyone, my name is Merlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a LEGO Minecraft Big Fig Villager. These are the pieces you're going to need for the head. Right, so to start off we're going to get a 4x4 plate, and underneath that plate we're going to put a 1x4 plate. On top, to connect those two together, we're going to put a 2x4 plate, and on top of those two we're going to get a 2x3 plate and another one, and put them beside each other like that. Then we're going to get a 2x4 brick, put that on the top of the 2x3 plates. Then we're going to get two 1x3 bricks, put them on either side like this. Then we're going to get, in any colour, 2 grey jumper plates. They don't have to be grey, they can be in any colour at all, beside each other in there like that. Then we're going to get a 1x2 brick and put that in there. Now this can be any colour as well, since we're not going to be able to see that. Now we're going to make the ball connector bit, so we're going to get 1x2 plate in any colour. This has got, you always find these pieces in grey, the 1x2 plate with the ball socket in it. They're always going to be in grey, I think, so yeah, that's in grey. And another jumper plate. And we're going to put that together like that, so the jumper plate on the top and the normal plate on the bottom. Put that on top of the studs of that jumper plate like that. Then we're going to get 2 2x3 bricks and put them along the top up here. Then we're going to get 2 1x2 bricks and put them on either side of this here. We're going to follow that up with 2 2x2 plates, sandwich those together and put it on top of the end right there like that. Then we're going to get 2 2x4 plates and 1x4 plate. Now for his big forehead we're going to get a 2x4 tile and put that along the top there. Okay, so now for the tricky part. These are 2 2x2 jumper plates that I've modified so they can have a unibrow when you put them together like that. I've used a permanent marker for this. Permanent markers are best because it stays on there for a while, and it's like Lego printing. But if you want to get rid of it, you're going to have to use nail polish remover. It's a very classic way of drawing on Lego. Nail polish remover and permanent markers are quite easy to get. So if you want to draw your unibrow yourself, you can do that. These pieces here are going to go here, and they're going to hold these official Lego eyes because I didn't really want to do too much drawing, and these eyes are actually okay. Try and make them point towards each other like they would in a game. So maybe like that, and nearly like, don't have them facing down in the corners. There, perfect. Then we're going to get a jumper plate that I've also modified to have his mouth. It's not in the middle because that's going to be covered up by the nose, which we're going to make now with a 1x2 nugget coloured plate and the 1x2 tile in the same colour. And we put those together like that, and then you put this middle hole bit there onto into the middle of the jumper plate. And now, to finish it off, 2 1x1 tiles. There and there. And there is the villager's head. These are the pieces you're going to need for the body. So first we're going to get a 4x8 plate, and on top of that we're going to get a 1x4 plate and put it on top like that. And then we're going to just put those together, we're going to put 2 2x4 plates on top of each other like that, and then we're going to put a 1x4 plate there and a dark grey ball joint piece there like that. Then we're going to get 2 1x1 plates and just put them there and there, and there you go. Then get 2 2x4 bricks, put them in the middle like so. Then down here at the bottom we're going to get 2 2x2 plates, sandwich those together and put it here. Then we're going to get two 1x2 plates with a clip on it, and we're going to put them beside each other like that. Then we're going to get two 1x3 bricks and put them on either side of that, like that. Now we're going to get two 1x4 bricks and put them beside each other on the bottom. We're going to get one 2x2 brick and put it in the middle there. That can be in any colour. Then put a 1x2 brick here, and this can also be in any colour. Then we're going to get a 2x4 brick, put it there. Then get a 1x4 brick, put it there. Then we're going to put in the middle here a 1x2 brick in any colour, and then we're going to put two of these 1x1 Technic hole pieces. These can also be in any colour. They're going to hold the arms, and in those holes we're going to put a Technic pin in each hole, so like that, and like that. Then on the top there we're going to put a 1x4 brick. Then to top it all off, we now have to put all the plates in, so a 1x6 plate there, followed by a 1x2 plate there. And then along the bottom we're going to get a 1x4 plate. And then if you can do the same thing on this side, that'd be great, but I don't have another 1x6 plate, so I'm just going to do two of these 2x4 plates and line them up like that. Then down at the bottom in the middle we're going to get four brown jumper plates, put them on top of each other, there, there, and there. If you can hear purring in the background, please ignore it because my cat's here. God, right beside me, lying down, so cute. Anyway, we're going to get a 2x2 tile here and put it there. Then we're going to get a 1x2 tile in dark brown, and then the same piece in tan. In the middle, along the jumper plates, we're now going to put a 1x4 tile and put it there. And I'm going to get a 1x2 tile and put it there. And that's the body for your villager. Now I can pop the villager's head on the top. And it's movable, just don't move it too much, or the nose will pop off, unfortunately. These are the pieces that you're going to need for the arms. Now for the arms we're going to get two 2x4 plates, and then we're going to get 1x8 brick and put it along the bottom like that, connecting those together. Then we're going to get two 1x2 bricks and put them like that there. Two more of the same brick and put them on either side of there and there. Then we're going to get two 1x2 bricks with a Technic hole in it. And now we're going to get a 2x4 tile and put it there, and we're going to put one here soon, but for now I'm going to break that off, get the villager, connect that Technic pin up with the hole like that. Then we're going to get the bit that we just broke off, put it into that hole there, and then kind of slide it up into that bit there. And then we're going to get one more of those big tiles and put that along the top, and there is his arms. These are the pieces you're going to need for the legs. So now for the legs, we're going to get four 2x2 tiles in dark grey, sandwich them both on top of each other but separately, so like that. Then we're going to get two 1x2 tiles in dark grey, and the same pieces but in dark brown. Then I'm going to get two 2x2 dark brown bricks, put them on top of each other like that, and that, there, and then in the middle of them, so like in that position there, like that, we're going to get a normal brown, or if you have it in dark brown, that'll be better, jumper plate, in that kind of position like that, so they're like, when they're beside each other, they'll be together. Then we're going to get two 1x1 bricks with a clip on the top of it, put them like this, make sure they're positioned properly. So now if we get our villager, we can put these pieces, these clips, into those clip bits we put in his body. And put it in like so. And there you have it. A completely posable, completely posable villager. Even with the nose. Yep, the arms can move, the legs you can kind of position, but I don't think it would be able to stand if you had it to walking like that. So the best way to keep it standing is like that. And there you have it. The villager is now complete. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys later with the next one. Goodbye!
Huh? Uh.